Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, expecting orders for LBRM, that is laser beam riding missile from Indian Army. Public sector major Bharat Dynamics Limited has claimed that it is expecting orders for the laser beam riding missiles or LBRM being manufactured by BDL under a joint development program with Tejas, UK from Army Air Defence soon. BDL is expecting orders for 254 crore. Next, production of Astra Mark 1 missile. Public sector BDL has achieved a significant milestone in the development of India's indigenous air defence capabilities by commencing limited series production clearance from DRDOs for Astra Mark 1 missile. The missile developed by DRDO and manufactured by BDL is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile that will significantly enhance the Indian Air Force combat capabilities. Next, joint venture for advanced composites manufacturing in India. In a significant move to strengthen India's indigenous manufacturing capabilities in the aerospace and defense sector, Merlin Hawk Aerospace Private Limited and Italy's Vega Composites SRL have signed a joint venture agreement to establish a state-of-the-art manufacturing and design facility in Tamil Nadu. Next, order for Tejas fighter aircraft placed under Modi government. Under the Narendra Modi government, an order of rupees 36,468 crore for the delivery of 83 LCA Mk-1A Tejas aircraft has been placed with HAL, official sources said on Saturday, as the Prime Minister visited the Defence PSU and took a sortie in the fighter jet. Next, PM Modi flew in twin-seater trainer aircraft. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flew in a twin-seater trainer LCA aircraft which was delivered to the Indian Air Force by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited last month. PM Modi is on a visit to Bengaluru to visit and review the manufacturing facility, including the facilities for Tejas jets. Next, launch of RH-200 sounding rockets. India is making a significant milestone in its spacefaring journey with the launch of a commemorative sounding rocket on November 25th. The RH-200 sounding rocket, part of the Rohini series, will lift off from the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station at 10:25 hours, making the 60th anniversary of India's first rocket launch. Next, Myanmar's Coco Island labelled as Chinese defense base by India. In a significant development, the Indian government has officially designated Myanmar's Coco Island, located in the northeastern Bay of Bengal, as a Chinese defense base. This statement was issued by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways in a press release related to the initiation of a feasibility study for developing a bulk cargo transshipment hub in Atlanta Bay near Diglipur in North Andaman. Next, UN peacekeepers from 16 countries undergo military training in India. The Center for United Nations Peacekeeping India conducted a course for military officers of 16 friendly foreign countries and the Indian Army to enhance leadership skills, tactical thinking and operational effectiveness, according to a statement. Thank you.